The people of Shopian are happy that the administration has swung into action, and they are highly thankful to them. The Traders Federation has welcomed this decision, but at the same time, people are surprised here that they had never seen 21 doctors present in the district hospital Shopian at any given point of time. The suspension of doctors is merely curing the symptoms. The disease lies somewhere else. The disease is yet to be addressed. At the same time, we would like to add that this can be the chaos before the new order. We hope so. We are highly thankful to the Quint for highlighting this issue.